Here I have Nubia Red Magic 6 Racing, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or this series of photos on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, and when you adjust the normal photo mode, hold down shutter button, and after that the burst shot will start. So let me show you. So right now I took like 20 photos, and here I can review them all and pick the one that I like the most and delete others. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.